Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the broken belt switch assembly in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 5/16 inch nut driver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a large flat blade screwdriver, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new broken belt switch assembly. The main reason why the broken belt switch assembly would need to be replaced is if it breaks, cutting off the power to the drive motor. We need to start with opening the door and lifting the top panel. Insert the putty knife into the seam under the top and push in the locking clip, one on each side. Lift the top and put it against the wall or on some kind of support. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, disconnect the wire harness plug. With the 5/16 inch nut driver, remove the two top screws, one on each side. Tilt the front panel slightly back, pull it up to remove it from the mounting clips at the bottom. To remove the front bulkhead, disconnect the two moisture sensor wires. Then, using the 5/16 nut driver, take out two screws at the bottom, two screws on the sides, and loosen up two screws at the top. Pull the bulkhead up and remove it from the top screws. Reach underneath the drum, push the other pulley arm towards the motor, and release the drive belt. And now remove the drum from the cabinet. Remove the blower belt. Next, we need to remove both motor clamps. Use the large flat blade screwdriver to push down and out with force on the hooked end of the clamps to release it from the motor bracket. Put both clamps aside. Turn the motor on its side and using the small flat blade screwdriver, release the tabs on the sides of the motor harness plug and remove it. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the two screws that hold the broken belt switch assembly and take it out. Take a picture where the two blue wires are connected at the motor switch and then pry them off with a screwdriver. Remove the motor from the bracket and pull the broken belt switch assembly out of the dryer. This is the old broken belt switch assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the two blue wires from the belt switch to the motor switch. Refer to the picture we took earlier. To install the new broken belt switch assembly, turn this lever side down and secure with the two 1/4 inch screws. Make sure the idler pulley's actuator is pressing against the switch lever. Connect the motor plug. Install the motor into the mounting bracket with the tabs on the motor fitting into the cutouts in the bracket. Install the motor clamps and lock them on the bracket tabs by pushing down using the large flat blade screwdriver. Install the blower belt with the rib surface facing the flywheel and the blower pulley. Then take the drive belt, wrap it around the drum, right about the dark spot here from the belt, and make sure that the rib side is facing the drum. And carry it inside the cabinet. Install the drum on the rear support rollers. Slowly turn it to make sure it's on correctly. Pull down on the belt with one hand and place it under the idler pulley. Push the idler pulley all the way towards the motor with the other hand and place the loop on the motor pulley. Turn the drum at least one complete turn to make sure the belt is on correctly. Now we need to install the front bulkhead. Place the drum over the lip, lift the bulkhead up slightly and hang it on the two top screws. Tighten the top two screws and install the 4 5/16" screws at the bottom. Connect the moisture sensor wires with the black one on the top. Lift the front panel up and install it on the bottom mounting clips. Push the front panel forward and secure it with the two 5/16" screws. Connect the wire harness plug. Lower down the top panel and push it down to lock. Then close the door. Plug the dryer back in and stop hang drying your laundry all over the house. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.